Well, everyone, a little bit of a different setup, but it's totally okay. I just got these new iPhone 12 clones, so we're going to take a look at it, and I'm actually super excited to do it. I don't know why it's so great. Now, these ones aren't working yet, but the very cool thing is that I am getting a working iPhone 12 clone, just like how I got an iPhone 11 clone last year. I'm going to be getting another iPhone 12 clone very soon, and that one is going to be working, so I can't wait to do that. But these are basically the models, the designs of what pretty much are almost confirmed of what the iPhone 12 is going to be looking like. So this one looks to me like the iPhone 12 mini. So let's go ahead and rock this open. And all of a sudden, like, okay, as we can see, and I'm surprised by these models. They're actually like pretty decently built. And they even come with a little screen thing up top, all right? Now they also have this little sticker on the back so it doesn't showcase the Apple logo, but there we go. Now this is the iPhone 12. And as you can see, I mean, from the back, I mean, this thing is pretty small. Now compared to my iPhone 11 Pro that is recording this audio, as you can see, it's pretty small compared to it. I will also be doing a full review tomorrow about this design, but it's a pretty slim design. I mean, look at this. You even have the buttons that fully click in. The slider doesn't slide in, and this is non-working, so this doesn't turn on. You can see that there's a notch. On the bottom, you have the lightning port, and on the side, a power button, which also clicks in. Now, size-wise, it almost feels identical to the iPhone SE, not the 2020 model, but the regular standard iPhone SE. So from what I've seen and from pictures I've seen, it's in the middle between an iPhone SE small one, like the 4-inch one, and an iPhone 8 or iPhone SE 2020, so somewhere in there. And it feels really good in the hand. It just doesn't feel super thin. It feels pretty thick, which I'm totally okay with if it brings a bigger battery. So this one is the iPhone 12. The standard base model that's going to be the least expensive one out of all of them. Now this is the mid-tier model. So this is going to be the iPhone 11/11 Pro successor in a way. And as you can see, we can go and take this stuff off now. And it pretty much feels just like a bigger version of the other one. I don't think we have stickers on the sides. That's just a little... And again, these are not working. These are just templates of basically what it's going to be looking like. And it feels like just like the other one. So it doesn't feel any more premium than that one in a way. Lightning port on the bottom. Sides feel identical, buttons click in but don't do anything. Now this size, in my opinion, is one that I could get comfortable with. It does feel pretty good in the hands. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. Of course, this is a model, but even this fake model feels pretty good too. Triple camera setup on the back, no quadruple camera setups like we've been estimating, but again, things could change in the future. But it feels almost identical to this one. Now this last one is the biggest model, aka the most expensive iPhone 12 coming out. And just like the other ones, we got to take this off. And again, there's no quadruple camera setup on this as far as we know. Now, as we stated before, we thought there was going to be another camera setup, but it kind of makes sense for Apple to do one thing at a time. So they'll probably just bring this model first and change the flat sides, which I really do like, and then eventually bring the other designs later that could probably, such as, you know, the quadruple camera setup and different things like that. That honestly makes more sense to me, because if Apple puts in the quadruple camera setup, then what are they going to do next year, you know? Now, like I stated before, I think it feels great. Like, I personally feel like these designs are awesome. The only thing is that it just feels kind of thick, maybe a little bit too thick. I'm totally okay with this. I really don't care, but I could see some people, you know, could get mad about it. Again, buttons click in, but again, this is a non-working model. So that's pretty much it. Those are the designs that we could, you know, potentially be seeing upcoming, you know, this September, whenever the new iPhones come out. But this is kind of a first look at those things. They're just dummy models. But again, I will be having a working clone, I think, this week coming in, which is going to be pretty insane, just like how I had last year. And from what I've been seeing, it seems like it's going to be the exact same design as this. So I guess we'll just wait and see what happens from there. But that's really pretty much it. Just a first look at this thing. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much. But definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. More importantly, everything else of every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.